Hello, Tosh, got a Toshiba? Hello, Tosh, got a Toshiba? Like your hi-fi system.
Hello everyone, hope you're doing okay today. So today we're going to be looking at the Phil Collins Take a Look at Me Now limited edition 8 CD set. So today is going to be an unboxing video of this because it's still sealed, and I thought, well, I really want to open it, but I actually want to make a video on it, so why not? But this is actually similar to the Dire Straits The Studio Albums box set.
Money for nothing, get your chicks for free.
Which, yes, I've got right here. Now, I will be doing a video on this very soon, don't worry. Here we have it. Look how chunky this box is. And this box set has 6 albums, when the Phil Collins Take a Look at Me Now box set has 8 albums. Which is strange because the more albums you have in the box, the more bigger the box, but okay. Okay, so apparently all you sort of tearing fans like to see it teared slow, so we're gonna tear it slow. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Let's tear this. Oh, slow. Oh yes, tear that slow. Let's get that off. There we go. Haha. Nah, I'm only joking. I'm not gonna do it slow. Anyways, so here we have it out of its packaging. It's actually really nice. It's nicer out of the packaging because it's a matte feel. It's not sort of like your standard old gloss feel, if you know what I mean. But if you can hear that, yeah, it's a nice matte feel. I do like it. Yeah. So now we can actually look at what the albums are. The first album is Face Value. The second album is Hello, I Must Be Going. The third album is No Jacket Required. The fourth album is But Seriously. The fifth album is Both Sides. The sixth album is Dancing to the Light. And the seventh album is Testify. And the eighth album is Going Back. Really cool looking album designs there. I do like them indeed. To be honest, I haven't actually listened to all his album. He is a brilliant singer and drummer. I do quite like him. I've listened to Face Value and No Jacket Required, but I don't think I've listened to But Seriously and the rest. I can't really remember if I have yet. But now that I've got this box set, I will. And normally you would say, well, wouldn't you buy this box set once you've listened to those albums? But actually, no, I bought it because I know I'm going to like the rest of his music anyways. So, and I have listened to, like, I think 1 or 2 tracks from this. I just haven't listened to the whole album, if you know what I mean. But here we go. We're going to open this now. Okay. Oh. Wow, that is cool. Oh, wow. Yeah. Got nice hard design edge black, standard. Not too much, if you know what I mean. And yes, I do know that these come in sleeves. They don't come in cases, which is very different. And this is sort of a matte feel as well. Yeah. Yeah. Very cool. Hello. But this is Face Value by Phil Collins. Well, all of them in there are Phil Collins. He's such a twat. Anyways, so that's the front cover. I do like that. You got the front cover where it's the face. Yeah, get it? And then on the back, he got back of his head. I do like that. So the tracks on this one, if you can actually see them, pretty hard to see them actually. Yeah. It says, in the air tonight, this must be love. Behind the lines, the roof is leaking. Oh, I can't actually read that. I must be going blind. Actually, let me check. Let me check behind. That's probably why they put it on the back. Oh, they haven't. Oh, God. How am I supposed to... Oh, yeah, I'm definitely going blind then. How am I... Yeah, that's hard. That's actually hard to see. The roof... No, that's hard. Oh, not... Okay, well, not that many people are going to be looking, but I quite like the design on CDs, and that's kind of a, I don't know, a bit of a letdown that I can't really read that. No, I think I've got it. In the air tonight, this must be love. Behind the lines, the roof is leaking. Droned, I think that is. Hand in hand, drowned. Oh, I can't work that out. I missed again, yeah. You know what I mean. Thunder and lightning. In sight moving. Italy. Oh, I can't work that out. Yeah, that's actually really hard to see. Oh, God, it's tough. Probably because it hasn't been... If we squeeze it, it might... There we go. I think I got it. If I could just reach into... Bloody hell. I know sleeves like this where they make the sleeve the size of the disc. You can't do that because it gets stuck and then I can't pull it out, man. There we go. Oh, just have a little patience. Anyways, here we go. And I do quite like that. If I'm correct, this is actually the design on the label for the 7-inch vinyl that I've actually got for In the Air Tonight. If I think I'm correct, I'll have a look later. But I haven't actually got face value on 12-inch, so I wouldn't know if this is the design of the 12-inch without searching it up on the internet. But I'd have to fire up the Windows XP. No, I don't. Such a twat, man. So that's face value. The next disc is Hello, I Must Be Going. I do like that design. That's pretty cool. Yeah, look at that. That is really nice. Printed really well. The sleeves are really nice. Do quite like that. Yeah. And on the back, there we go. Clear enough track listing. Very nice. Right, so this one is I Don't Care Anymore. I Cannot Believe It's Time. Like China. Do you know? Do you care? You Can't Hurry Love. It Don't Matter to Me. Through These Walls. Don't Let Him Steal Your Heart Away. The West Side. Why Can't You Wait Till the Morning? Yep, that's me. Can't wait. Whenever I'm expecting something, I'm always, I want it now, man. No, I'm joking. Oh, come on. Come on now. There we go. Oh, look at that. I think they are copying the labels for the 12-inch records. Yeah, they're sort of like embossed. I do like that. That's smart. Yeah, I do quite like that. And you notice that the font is really cool as well. I like that. And they put stereo. Like we don't know that, well, some dumb people wouldn't know that. Some people don't even know what a CD is, but there you go. Okay, so the next album is the one that is the second album I've actually listened to, because I listened to Face Value and this one. Very cool, I do like that. That is nice design. No jacket required, and again, I can kind of read that track listen. What does it say? Yeah. Sussudio. I'm sure I can never say that right, that name. Sussudio. Is it Sussudio? Sussudio? I can't. Sorry. And I've actually got the National Album Day release which is an orange coloured vinyl of this, obviously to match the face, which is really cool. And yes, I can tell you that this is a copied design of the label on the vinyl that I just told you about. Really cool, black with orange lettering. I do like that. That's really nice. It's cool. So this is the next one. But seriously, I do remember that when I was in the vinyl shop looking for vinyls, I actually saw this one in there and I nearly picked it up. I should have done, really. But yeah, that came out much quicker. And yeah, same design, just different names, apart from the artist name, just different album name. Really cool. I do like that. I imagine all this would be the same for the vinyl box set edition. I'm not too sure. I'd have to search that up, actually. I'd have to look it up on the Google, the World Wide Web. Okay, so the next one is Both Sides. Getting towards the end now. Really cool. I do like that. That is nice. Okay, so still the same sort of lettering again. Both sides. Is it because I'm looking through the camera? No. Oh. No, still kind of a struggle, really. Both sides of the story. Can't turn back the years. Every day. I've forgotten everything. Where the... Eh? Where? Don't know. Can't find my way. Survivors. We fly. I think that says fly so close. There's a place for us. We wait and we wonder. Please come out tonight. Yeah. Okay, so that's... Yeah, that one. So let's look at the disc. Jesus Christ. Oh, God. Oh, slightly different design on this one. Yeah, much more plain, I guess. Not too sure if that's because this was never on vinyl. I'm not too sure. I think it would have been, but I don't know. Get in there. God. There we go. Slot in there. But yeah, I don't like it where they make the sleeves the size of the disc. It's a bit silly, to be honest. So this is Dancing to the Light. Look at that. That's really cool, man. Really nice design. Ah, there we go. Look at that track listing. Pretty simple, but clear enough. Dancing to the Light. That's what you said. Lorenzo. Just Another Story. Love Police. Wear My Hat. It's in Your Eyes. Ought to Know By Now. Take Me Down. The Same Moon. River So Wide. No Matter Who. The Times They Are A-Changing. Very cool. And you got them there as well. So, yeah. And then, oh, look at that. That is really nice. Different design now. Really cool. I like that. See sleeve for details. Yeah. That is really nice. I like that. Pretty nice design. And they got much better with the track listings clear enough now. But yeah. Let's just slot that back in there. Oh god, that one's a bit tough. There we go. Yep. And then I think this is... Oh, we got one more. One more after this one. And this is Testify. It's a nice design. Hello. And then we got Wake Up Call. Come With Me. Testify. Don't Get Me Started. Swing. Don't know. It's Not Too Late. This Love. This Heart. Driving Me Crazy. The Least You Can Do. Can't Stop Loving You. Through My Eyes. You Touch My Heart. Yeah, I think next time I review or unbox something, I'm not going to read the track listing because I can't read it properly. But then the next box set might have a clear enough track listing actually. Look at that. That's nice. Plain, simple, black and white design. Really smart. You don't need too much, you know. Just looks right. Quite cool. Yep, put that in there. Just slot that in there. Very cool one. There we go. And then we got the last one. Bloody hell, if I can get it out. Alright, it's just an empty box now. There we go. The Essential Going Back. There we go. Right, this is the track listing. Going back. Girl, why you wanna make me blue? Love is like a heat wave. Some of your loving. Going to a go-go. Papa was a rolling stone. Loving you is sweeter than ever. Something about you. Talking about my baby. Do I love you? Never dreamed you'd leave in summer. Take me in your arms. Rock me for a little while. Too many fish in the sea. Uptight. Everything's alright. Yeah. That's cool. Is that a note? Yeah, it's all like replica note. Really cool. Do like that. Okay. Then, oh yeah, look at that. That is cool, man. Yeah, reminds me of a vinyl. Yeah. Do you like that? Stereo. Does anybody know what stereo is? Let's put it on the disc. Yeah, I'm joking. Obviously, it's just replicas of labels, but it's really cool. Do like that. That's nice. So that's all the discs. Obviously, not going to play them because, you know, you don't, not going to do that because, you can listen for yourself. But yeah, so that is all the discs all together. Really cool. I do like that. It's actually really nice to have them in a small sort of sleeve and instead of like big plastic cases. But I do like it, and my opinions on the box set, cool. I do like it. It's designed well. There, apart from maybe the track listing, if they were to do an updated version, sort the track listing out, because I think the track listing wasn't clear enough to my eyes, but it could be my eyes. But there you go. Do I recommend it? Yeah. If you've already got them separately, then why not? It's your decision. Because I always hear people saying, oh, if you've bought them separately, what's the point in buying the box set? Well, some people like to collect them like me. I'd still buy these separately. I might do. Even if they were on SACD, I might do. Because depends on how much you like the artist. Depends on how much of a collector you are. I collect a lot of CDs. I remember I did actually do a video of all my CDs, and it was about, oh god, 30-something minutes of just talking about my CDs. Man, who wants to see that? God, boring. Anyways, yeah, I cancelled the idea and didn't do it in the end, but there you go. So that's the Phil Collins Take a Look at Me Now limited edition 8 CD set. I do hope you enjoyed watching this. If you didn't, I'm not that bothered, but there you go. But if you did, let me know with a like or subscribe. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos. See you in the next one. Bye.